Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get little accessories like buddies as well as player cards for free in Valorant. So make sure you play Valorant a lot because you'll need to stock up on your kingdom credits if you don't want to use it to open agents. You can go to the kingdom credits store. Where is it actually? I don't remember where it is. Okay, go to store and then go to accessories, and this is where you can purchase buddies and sprays and player cards without having to spend money. As you can see here, you can buy some stuff. I think I just spent it on an agent. That's why I can't really buy anything. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.